Lotion, and today I wanted to do a haul. I know it's been like forever, but yeah, I don't have an excuse, but I'm back, and that's all that matters, right? So, I went to Bath and Body for the semi-annual sale. I got like 30 bags. This is one bag. This is another bag. And this is another. This is the last one. So we're going to start with the small bag. I bought my niece some stuff, so not all this is mine. But we bought the Beach Night body spray. It's summer marshmallow. Or honey smells. Ooh, smells so good. I might take this. I bought the Dark Kiss. My niece wanted this one. I did not. Bought the Cucumber Melon Shower Gel. This reflected my childhood because it was like the favorite scent back then. And I think they discontinued it and brought it back. But anyway, I bought
You should do our perfumes.
Fuji Pineapple Palm the shower gel. I bought it because it smells like pineapple, and that's my favorite scent. So I bought the Cucumber Melon Lotion. I bought Brown Sugar and Fig. You picked this out, right? My niece picked it out. Say hi. Anyway. This warm vanilla sugar body spray. I love warm vanilla sugar. Smells so good. I also bought the soap for warm vanilla sugar too. I bought this soap holder. Thought it was so pretty. I bought the Fiji Pineapple Palm Lotion. The Honolulu Sun Gentle Foaming Soap. I love foaming soap. I don't know why. I had like a huge sensation with foaming soap. I also bought Sun Ripened Raspberry Shower Gel. Vanilla Beach Coconut Shower Gel. I bought Pearberry Mist Body Spray. I'll get it. I bought Sweet Berry Cream hand soap, Marlon soap. About this Moonlight Path body mist.
Wasn't that 3?
I don't know.
Okay, let's see that one.
And then I got the Japanese cherry blossom. Also bought this toner for my mom. I bought this car air freshener for my car. I bought these little hand sanitizers. This one is Friday. Happy pineapple. This one is watermelon lemonade. Sweet pea. Another old school scent that somebody used to carry a long time ago. They just brought it back. That's a diamond. And no shade. Well, that's what it's called, no shade. And then I bought candles. I love me some candles. Help me get those out. They're like so heavy, you guys. So, first one I have is Golden Pineapple Luau. It's the 3-wick. They were $10. Smells so good, y'all. I bought pineapple plum grass. Smell like pineapple, obviously. Then I have mango matai. We can't say it.
Mango matai.
Mango matai. That smells really good too. And the next one is Tiki Beach. So that is all I bought. I thought this video would be way longer, but glad it wasn't. But that's all I bought. Go to Bath and Body and let me know what you buy, and I'll see you later. Bye.